Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am the proprietor of MS Silk Engineering. We are the dealers of MS Siemens Pakistan for C product as well as for AS, in which we have a much more series. We have Cyrus series, which recently introduced by Siemens Pakistan, and in this we have a wide range for the motor protection relays and other accessories. In the contactors are also included in that. We are also dealing in the breakers, as well as the motors are also providing by Siemens Pakistan through us. Other than this, we are the exclusive dealer of Electronicon, that is from Germany, 100% Germany, for power factor improvement capacitors. To provide the services to the client, to facilitate the client, we are providing the complete power factor banks, in which including the contactors, fuses, as well as the capacitors. The capacitors are 100% German, and this is imported. The origin of manufacturing is Germany. Here we are manufacturing the panel locally in Pakistan to facilitate the customer by using the relay as well, which is called the intelligent relay for power factor improvement capacitors. We have a wide range for NORC, that is the origin of manufacturing is China, but we are introducing this for M1 and M2 market, that is European, and for the supply in USA as well. The NORC have the facility in Europe for R&D as well as in the USA. These all breakers are UL listed. We are providing here for the quality conscious market, not for the price conscious market. That is as equivalent to the Siemens. We are trying to facilitate the market in engineering and try to provide the technical expertise what we have inside, and hope these products you should have these products in coming future with wide range, that is contactors, isolator switches, switch gears, magnetic contactors, overload relays, and MCCBs. ACB as well, we have a range of 6300 amperes we have range. So by keeping in view the person who are using the Siemens Pakistan and they are not aware for the, they are trying to use the product which is much lesser than the prices of Siemens, so they may use the NORC. And other than this, we are always available to provide you the services as well as the panel manufacturing. Other than this, we have the opportunity to visit you at your site, at your factories, at your offices. Basically, we now in this event, we are going to mainly focus the consultants and the clients who are using these products, the LV breakers, capacitors, switch gears, and other than the products, whatever is using for LV products, as well as for the automation system and industrial automation. We are very thankful for the organizer of this event, because we have a very vast aspect, as well as we have much more client to visit over here in this event. And so the product we are focusing, that is consultant and industries. Here in this event, we found a lot of clients which are the representative of consultant, as well as a representative from the entire industry, which belongs to the fertilizer industry, sugar industry, as well as from the other related industries. So we are always available for the services as well as for your requirement at any time. If you have any other query regarding this, do not hesitate to contact us. We ourselves will be at your doorstep whenever you will call us or require our services. Thank you.